Hello everyone. Today we talk about colors. These are colors. There are many colors. Do you know your colors? Look at the screen. There's a color here. This color is red. This color is red. Do you know this color? This is red. This is red. This is red. And this is red. Do you like the color red? Look at the screen. There's a color here. Do you know this color? This color is blue. Blue. This is blue. This is blue. This is blue. And this is blue. This color is blue. Do you like the color blue? Look at the screen. There is a color here. Do you know this color? This color is green. Green. This is green. This is green. This is green. And this is green. There are many different colors. Do you know your colors? Okay, everyone, that's all for now. Thank you for watching.